Sego sewa gwego de yualakwa yongyot stonagot to Onkwawenna gunjokwa de wagyote. Hi everyone, my name is Deyualakwa and I work for our Mohawk language group, Onkwawenna Gunjokwa. This is our Phrase of the Day project, and the phrase of the day is to provide Six Nations with common phrases that they can use throughout their day to encourage more of Six Nations to speak our language, kanyen'keha. Our first phrase of the day comes from Chris, and Chris wants to know how to say, let's go get coffee. So to say, let's go get coffee in kanyen'keha, we would say, Deni goha oso gwagali. Deni goha. Deni goha. Oso gwageri. Oso gwageri. Deni goha oso gwagari. Deni goha, our first word, is saying let's you and I go get something. Deni is saying you and I, and goha means to go and get something. Deni goha. Oso gwagari is one of our words for coffee. Osokwa means nuts. And adding geli on the end means the liquid of nuts. So altogether, oso gwagari could be translated into nut juice. Deni goha oso gwagari.